Everyone, Steve Georgie here from Allendale's Trading Floor. It's December 13th. We had the grains mix today. Big thing out this morning. We saw export sales once again. Came out friendlier for beans and kind of supported beans today, but a little bit friendly in wheat, but neutral corn. So looking at wheat being the leader and dragging corn down the last few days, once again keeping corn a little lower, I think, once again. Wheat down 3.5 cents, beans up 2, but corn down 5. So looking at this report that came out on Tuesday, it was negative for wheat. We did see some technical selling as we broke down below some good support areas, and we've seen nothing but pressure since then. This is the 5th day down for wheat. We've been down more than 50 cents here this week already. Can we see some kind of profit taking tomorrow? Can we get some kind of positive news from wheat, or maybe see some positive trade? If so, corn may end up trying to rally as well. We did go down and hit some good support for corn today near these lows. Your support areas right now for March 714 and then 708. So look for that here tomorrow and coming into next week as well. Looking at some of these other markets, though, livestock we're down about 25 cents for fat cattle. We're still waiting to see how the cash trade will be this week. Still looking for maybe steady to maybe even a little better here, since we've seen some stronger trade here this week for cattle. Maybe that'll get the cash side a little bit excited as well. But this morning, box beef mixed. We had choice down 23 cents, select up about 25. So we've seen box beef mixed here basically all week. But we'll watch for that cash trade and see where that comes out. That'll be kind of the deciding factor, I think, for tomorrow's trade. In the hogs, December contracts do go off tomorrow. So hogs are cash adjusted, but they do go off the board tomorrow. We've seen some stronger cash trade yesterday, and that's maybe keeping a little bit more of a firm tone on the December. But looking at the Febs on out, we've seen once again higher today. February up again 30 cents today. So we have seen some stronger demand, and I think that's what's keeping the buyers here on the, at least their foot on the gas pedal right now, continuing to buy these hogs at this time. But we have been higher the last few days. Can we see maybe a little profit taken tomorrow? Watch the cash market. That's going to be king, and which direction we get from this point forward. Looking at some of the other markets, the dollar up about 10 cents today. Crude oil dropping back about 55 cents. But the big sell-off today came in the metals. Gold down 22 bucks. Silver down $1.15. These are some pretty big declines here as far as the metals. I think it was more of a buy the rumor, sell the fact type idea yesterday with Bernanke talking about stimulus packages and everything else. I think the metals had gotten excited early, but when you look at the technical picture for the metals, it is still weaker. We have taken out some very good areas over the last week or so, some support areas, and I think you had found a little bit more of technical selling here today, and that's where a lot of this pressure had came from. So give us a call. Tomorrow we're going to see, hopefully we can see a little bit of support in these markets as far as the grains, but we'll see what happens. As I said, focus on that wheat. That's been the leader for corn, and we'll see if that's going to be the case again here tomorrow. But you can reach us over here with any questions that you have at 800-262-7538, or check us out online at allendale-inc.com. Hope you guys had a great day today, and we'll talk to you again tomorrow. Take care.